Good day. Today I'm going to demonstrate the assessing of abdominal and hinge. So the purpose of this assessment is to know the problem of our patient of their abdomen and to know the abnormalities. So first is we need to introduce ourselves and verify the client using the agency protocols and explain what we are doing to do. So, good morning, ma'am. I am Honey Jeannie. Hello. And your nurse today. Can you tell your name, please? Okay, your age. Okay. Can I check your tongue? Okay. Today, ma'am, I am going to assist you on the ano, ma'am. Para may bala na ito nga about problem. Comfortable ka na, ma'am? Okay. Next is we need to wash our hands. This. It's very important to wash our hands to prevent the infection and to protect ourselves. So next is provide client privacy. Next is inquire the client any history. Ma'am, nabakay sa kasuloy na baka sa una, ma'am, nga problem sa abdominal, ma'am? Okay. Ma'am, nakasuloy na baka like diarrhea or something, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Sa imong family, ma'am, nabay nasakit ang mga abdominal, ma'am, or nasakit, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Baka kayo ginatake na tambal, ma'am? Sa una, ma'am, or okay, ma'am. So, next is assessing the client to the spine position. So, my client is already set position na. Next is speak the abdomen for skin integrity. Next is speak the abdomen for contour and symmetry. It's very needed to speak the client abdomen para mahibalahan nato siya of naka symmetry ba or na ba siya abnormalities. Next is observe the abdominal contours. Na ko siya, na-observe na ko siya. The next is ask the client to take a deep breath. Ma'am, can you please ma'am, hinahawa. Hello, ma'am. Like inhale and exhale, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Next is placing the tape around the abdomen. So I have the tape this. So ako siya i-place there sa abdomen para marato siya like sa magiging. Like this. Next is observe the abdominal movement. So next is auscultate the abdominal for bowel sound, vascular sounds, and friction drops. You need using your hands warm the stethoscope diaphragm for bowel sounds like this. It's our stethoscope and we need to use our hands to warm this like this. After this, we need to put there in the 4 quadrant. There have a 4 quadrant. This is the right upper quadrant, the right lower quadrant, the left lower quadrant, and the left upper quadrant. So after that, we need to observe the abnormalities of the sounds. So the irregular is having 5 to 20 seconds. The next, for the vascular sounds, we need to use again our stethoscope and the bell to para madungan nato ang sound sa aorta, iliac, and femoral arteries. Like this. This is the aorta. This is the aorta there. Then next is, this is the iliac. Next is, this is a femoral. So, after ana is friction waves is the mga abnormalities na siya, abnormalities of sa abdomen. And also, it's a rough. And next is, you need to perform a light palpation first to detect areas of tenderness. So, ipalpit nato ang ano. Buhat na to ganina sa auscultation is ato siyang gi-using sa to stethoscope to the four quadrants. So the palpation is also musunod dito sa four quadrants. This is the right upper, right lower, left lower, and left upper. So next is, hold the palm of your hand slightly above the client's abdomen with your fingers parallel to the abdomen. So, you need to do this. This is their abdomen and this is the up. So you need to like this. Hold this while our parallel fingers is nasa abdomen. So this is the fingers. This is more like this. So next is depress the abdominal wall slightly about 1 centimeter. So slightly lang siya kato siyang i-depress ng abdomen. So muna siya 1 centimeter like this. This is the one. So muna siya slightly, and slightly. So next is, note areas of tenderness and muscle guarding and pain masses. Then, so i-note na to if there's a tenderness or masses. Then, we need to ask our client every palpation ko siyang like this. Palpita niya. Then, we need to ask nga ma'am sakit siya diri pag mo siya yes, so we need also to palpate of tanan sa ningon siya og yes sakit diri para may baala siya like this diri ma'am so like this we need to also we need to kuan her expression if go through ba ilang nawong kay if ever na magpapit ka din tapos ilang nawong is monotro siya di expecting good nga sakit diri ang side, so expecting good nga na-adre ang mga abnormalities or kuan problems. So next is palpate the area above the public symphysis if the client history and indicate possible urinary retention. So, ato siyang ipapit and ipapit na to siya if ever nga yung na pagpapang ganina pa patient is pagpapangutana siya pa sa history. So, ipapit na to siya so, especially if nag-mention siya about sa history kung na ba siya history sa inaning akuan. So, like this. So this is the last